Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the program. Today is Friday, August 18th, 2019. I'm going to do a little portfolio update, and we're going to talk about what we did in the S&P 500 for the week. If we look at our chart, let's start off. First of all, if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. It really helps me out. Give me a like if you enjoy this, and join the community. We help each other by see what works, what doesn't work. We give each other good ideas, and we have a good time. All right, so we're looking at the S&P 500 for the week, and as we can see, so far for the week we're down about 8 points, or about 1/4%. We actually started off Monday down quite a bit. Tuesday kind of rebounded up. As you can see, we got up. Wednesday was sort of a medium day. Thursday we hit our high. Thursday looks like we got up to over 3,000 for a temporary time, and right now we're back down to about 29.89. So we're still doing pretty good for the week. If we look at the performance down here for 5 days, we're about 0.75% up. We're still down for the month just a tiny bit, less than 1%. And for the year, we're at 19.33%, which is incredible. That's year to date. For the 1 year, going back exactly 365 days, we're up 8%. So a definite good year in the markets. Now let's take a look at what happened in my world this week. So first we're going to go to my M1 Finance account. And remember, this is only a couple weeks old, you guys. I just started this, and I've been putting in $100 each Monday. So I had another 100 going. And as you can see, we're stepping. And we're up 5.5 or $5.53, or up about 1.22%. Now for me, this is a dividend portfolio. Looking at the holdings. So if we look at Walgreens, I'm up to 2.5 shares. 3M, I have 0.71, and both of those are up for the week. McDonald's is down about $1, or about a little over 0.75%, so not terrible. Arthur's Daniel Midland, same thing. I'm at 1.91 shares, and it's down about 1.25%. Walmart is up about 1% for the week, and I have just over a half a share there. Las Vegas Sands Corp is up 2.4%, so that's the big one for the week, or second biggest. And I have 1.079 shares there. This week in my Ally Invest account, I did add a couple of holdings. All right, so for the week, I have added, this morning I bought 2 shares of Exxon. A couple days ago on Wednesday, I bought 3 shares of Coca-Cola as well as 2 shares of Exxon that day. My methodology for buying is I'm going to look at my average cost price, and if the price that is going that day is lower than my average price, I buy. When I have money to invest, I invest it. Now, I don't try to time the market, but I look at my price. My prices are higher than what it costs today, then it's a win. It's lowering my average price, which is going to improve my yield on cost in the long run. All right, now let's take a look at my dividend sheet. Now, I talked to you a couple weeks ago about this, and I've actually added a little bit to it. I've added a second thing. I added in this is all of my taxable account, you guys. So I added in all my ETFs as well here, and I have them kind of on the separate thing, and I have them on a separate chart down below. As you can see here, it shows all of my dividend payments. So far this month, I've had 86 cents from AGNC. I got a dividend from Coca-Cola for $5.60. My dividends so year to date from all of my individual stocks are 70.92, and for all of my dividends for my separate ETFs, I'm at 1,574.36. Now, if I look at my overall stock breakdown here by the companies, you can see, and I haven't updated this with the latest information because I have added 2 shares here of Exxon since this happened, which would give me a little bit higher around there, so a little bit more. If we look at my portfolio as a whole, remember the dividend portion, my taxable is probably only maybe 10% total, and my actual individual dividend stocks, you guys, make up way less than 5% of my total portfolio. But if we look at this is taken from my personal capital account, just did a little screenshot there. Over 90 days, I am up 56,692, and today I'm already up almost $400 now. I've covered the balance, but the portfolio is much bigger than the little part of the dividends I do. Most of my stuff is in index funds, and I've just been having fun. I call the dividend portfolio sort of my play money, and I really enjoy it. Anyway, you guys, so far we're doing good. We're adding to it. Remember my mantra: invest early and often, and keep your costs low. As long as you do that, you're going to win in the long run. Remember, even if the market goes down, we keep buying. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. It really helps me out. And as long as you guys keep watching, I'll keep making videos. All right, have a good day.